welcome back to my channel. I'm Dee. This is Matt, this is Gracie. This is Mama, we have my new guest. And KYLIAN is at the back. So today we are celebrating KYLIAN's second month. We are going to talk about our experiences.
With cries,
In 2 months with the little boy.
with poop, with sleep.
And this is
Thank you.
the cake from Nectar and Frosting. You see it?
Yun yung katon.
Yeah. Later on we're gonna do pictorial pa. Okay. Who wants to start?
Yun naman.
Yes, please. Go na, baby.
Ikaw na mag-stop?
So 2 months with KYLIAN. Basic.
So, 2 months with KYLIAN, what has changed? Cries, noisiness,
Oh, there's heart.
and then time to change, and then sudden pee-pee, sudden poo-poo, coming out of nowhere. But the most and more adorable moment is the smiles, when he responds, when he do bedtime, and then he
He's gonna
rolls
cry.
his head.
Because now he's doing belly time na.
Wala.
But before na, girl. The first month was very hard. Diba?
The second one was harder.
Can you, so as you know, newborn, when KYLIAN's still newborn, I think that was the hardest part of it, no? There's no tulog, as in no tulog.
And sometimes you don't know what he wants.
Oh, and we're breastfeeding. We decided to breastfeed 100%. So that's every 2 hours feeding time. So that's mostly me.
So only you breastfeeding.
Mm-hmm. Hello.
Me, I'm not gonna breastfeed.
And as you know, this is my second time being a mom, but it feels like the first time again because as you can see, my baby's hair is malaki na. So their gap is 18 years. Okay.
I was third bucket. Charot.
What? Ano sarap ng pancake? Course. Ano pa, baby? Ikaw, mama. Anong...
Me,
Ano?
all I can say is I'm enjoying every single moment that I'm with KYLIAN.
Ngayon niya ang babae.
Oh my
Lola na?
Joke lang.
Yeah, that's why, you know, my firstborn apo,
Ano?
she called me ang lolang obsessed sa apo. Because siya lang ang boy
Baby
sa,
boy.
baby boy sa family. Anak ko.
Thank you.
Diba baby, no? That's why I'm so happy.
Don't be fooled. Anak ko talaga yan.
Oh my God. Instant?
Ano pa, baby? Ikaw, I think it's all new to you, no? The first bath, the first laugh, the first smile.
You know what I really appreciate with Kiki is how to see, is the development, how quick it's the baby changing. As newborn, a week later, there is already improvement. A week later, it's already another improvement. And I could see that the weekend that I went to work. I forgot what, I think it was talking, making sounds with his voice. So I went to work, he was not making any noise, any sound, nothing. I came back after the work, Saturday. On the morning of the Saturday, he was already doing. Now, parang he's responding. Every morning he wakes up. I carry him, I make him lay down with us for 10 minutes. So much smile. So many.
A lot of things changed na in our routine. Diba?
Mm.
Before, it's only dede, poopoo in the first month. And then now, what added was the belly time,
Exercise.
exercise,
Oh.
yes, and responding to this toys already.
Mm.
And he swam today, di ba? Sa'yo, ate. What's your experience with KYLIAN?
You pooped on me.
Just traumatized experience.
Yeah, that's a traumatic experience.
Actually, no. His poopoo leaked on me.
Yeah. Because this guy
Overflow.
is a volcano. It's an active volcano. And then he peed on me. So that's I think, that's the most memorable experience at the moment. So he, Pupil Gracie, he peed on me. Ikaw, baby.
He puked on all of us.
He pupil. Ano na? Kasi mama. So, I'm officially the milk machine. Gracie is the entertainment. Daddy is the playtime master. And mama is the pampatulog. The rocking chair. The human rocking chair of KYLIAN. So that's our role. That's our roles to this little boy.
There's this morning, I think it's 2 or 3 mornings ago. I have no choice.
Oh, I'm sorry.
As soon as he wake up, the first thing we have to do is shower. Remember, Mama? Remember?
This morning?
No, 2 mornings or 3 mornings
Oh
ago.
yeah.
First thing I have to
Because
do, because
the volcano erupted again.
I don't know what time, but the pajama. The pajama was not white, it was yellow.
Sarap ng pansit.
And what's nice also with Kiki, it makes us close also.
Di ba tagal niya?
As a family, no?
By talking to each other, by sharing tasks.
And we ano naman, yes. There's this app that we have in our phones, Matt and I. It's what to expect. I would recommend to all moms or expecting moms to download it. It's very, very helpful. So it gives you the prenatal development, and then once the baby is born, it gives you also all the development when the weekly development. So we learned a lot from that app.
For father also. It's really good.
For dads also.
Especially when you don't know the feeling of the mother inside the belly. This app will tell you also like what is happening, how the head is moving, how the feet is kicking. So,
I forgot my thought. Why did I mention that?
what day?
Oh, because we're not sponsored.
No. We're not sponsored that. No, why I mentioned that because it says in the app that get a lot of help. And on the note that Matt said that it brings us closer. But you know, during this pandemic, we don't have a choice. We're stuck, you know, with the family that you have. And the roles that I mentioned is actually, it just developed through the time with KYLIAN. And it's nice. And yeah, so after I breastfeed, ganyan, it's either tummy time with daddy or burping time with Lola, with Mamita, or sleep, or entertainment with ate. And that includes also a lot of exo time, exo time. Yeah, with this boy. So our concept is Van Gogh's Arts. And ate paints onesies to KYLIAN every month. Well, that's a plan. It's a 7 month only.
So you have 10 more to go.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Ba't ako kumpleto ng pagka-lola ko? Because I have a grandson na, di ba baby, no? Grandson na, oh,
Hindi siya lola nang meron siyang tatlong apong babae.
sabi ko lang kumpleto ng pagka-lola ko.
Grabe naman.
Grabe naman. Yung jealous ba?
Hindi, nangaaway lang.
Mas na-baby pa nga kita eh, kasi you're the first apo.
Ikaw, Ana. Bitin si Pota ko sa'yo.
Go. His face looks like me. That's the best part. It's like looking at the mirror,
Dulo ka lang.
but there's blue eyes.
Paano na ka yung ano nila?
Na-adjit na ata siya.
Oo. Teka lang anak.
Alam niya pinag-uusapan siya.
Yeah.
Without him to approve.
Gusto niya lang akong magganto.
By the way, our menu for today is very good food. We have Shanghai.
Lumpiang Shanghai, yes.
Lumpiang Shanghai, and we have pancit.
Bihon. Courtesy of Mudra.
Yes.
Mamita
And
Benzo.
of course, what mommy said kanina, nectar and frosting steak. Amazing cakes.
For drinks, we have water and...
And Coca-Cola natin sponsored, by the way. Filler.
This ano, I have something to say. This is ano, one beautiful moment is the first time I give food to KYLIAN.
When you first,
First dede. Oh, first time I give
fed him. Yeah.
the dede. You don't know how
See
to
photo?
make him. You don't know how to
I'm gonna
make him
insert the
sit.
photo.
This is how to handle the two hands coordination. Oh my god. But then eventually, one time, two time, three time, wala na. Okay na. And then the other one that I
I
have.
needed to leave kasi, no?
Mm,
I needed to get something from DFA for his registration in the French embassy. That's before his first month, right? And Daddy here, he felt so whole as a father. Charot!
I miss his first month, di ba? I was in Sambales.
Mama was father.
Oo. It just so happened that I was in Sambales.
Then,
Kasi pandemic, there's no ride, di ba? Walang sinakyan.
the other
Okay din na.
epic moment that I really, really like is the first time he tried to suck his tongue.
Oh yeah.
I really feel, even Mama,
Bro!
we really look at him and then start to giggle. Just start mocking, because
Natubas ba?
No.
He's agreeing.
he doesn't know how to do, he doesn't know how to keep it. So it's just so funny. He opened his mouth, the hand is falling.
I am going to talk about something. Finish.
Tapos na. Hindi.
I just remembered kasi makakalimutan ko. I think the moment that I was really emotional when Ate here first carried KYLIAN. I cried.
That wasn't the first month.
Kaya that's like even like on the third day, ganyan.
It was so funny. She was.
I was crying!
She's holding her foot.
Okay, I
Where I
know.
am, where I was in
Joke ka
Sambales.
lang.
Oh, we just got home from the hospital.
What
After
happened
2
that?
days, yeah.
You
When
said
Ate
this?
Gracie first
Ate
carried
Gracie.
him, I cried.
Mm.
Ayan. And then...
Oh, that's from Lumpia.
When his body... I'm trying to remember.
Ano meron din?
Kunting door.
Pinag-usap ko tinga.
You want more?
Anyway.
I want more.
When his belly button fell, I cried again.
Mommy will insert the picture
Yeah, you did
here.
not give me. Where did you go?
It's there, nakatago. Disclaimer, the grandmother here have the belly button of this girl pa.
My first teeth, my first hair.
Nails.
Obsessed.
Everything.
So those are the moments.
Okay, I'm done. Okay, baby, I'll give
You
you
just
that.
ate the
Ano
pepper.
pa? Well, the first are all over. I mean, from
Other day.
front to back.
Oh, wait lang, Ma'am,
the
wait
other
lang.
day.
Okay, wait lang.
Inserting video.
Ay! Hala! Bumaliktad na siya, oh! Ay, On his own!
And
Hold
then,
lang.
the first stroll around the village, that was fun. With the stroller. And then, the first coos, the first slaps, smiles, response, oh my god. So there. I think I
Wala lang. Having a baby is just a lot of the first time of everything that you do. That became a routine as you grow older.
Wait lang ako.
What I realize is a lot of first time of this, first time.
That's why. Because it's their first year.
Yes.
Here na.
Yeah. And one thing that I can advise mommies, if you are breastfeeding, do not give up on it. You will feel at times that you don't, I mean, you're not enough, or you will start questioning yourself. If you can do it, you can. And do not give up. That's it. And that's our mukbang for today. Thank you so much for your patience again. If you're not subscriber yet, you're here already. Might as well hit that button.
No, it's not yet done. We have cake.
No, we cannot cut this yet. I'm going to
We will come back once we have photo shoot and cut the cake. Bye.
Bye. Bye for now.
Rolling, 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 hills.
Look at this amazing one. See, cover the eyes.
Ah,
Yeah,
see?
okay.
Kita naman. Bye. It's better than if you make it back, you know.
Then you're back on it. So is it strawberry?
Hindi.
It is.
Ready?
Bakit si Gracie walang plato?
Sleepy ka ba? Ah, sleepy
Huwag
ka
kayo
na?
makawala ng plato eh.
Siya naglalay? Pag nawala na siya,
Ito mo
kasalanan
siya.
niya.
Strawberry.
I like it.
Okay na.
So guys,
I like this better.
we recommend Meg.
That's
Pero-
why I'm crossing you're the best.
pero-
You love your cake.
I'm Asian. What are you gonna do?
It's like her legs
Her legs go.
on the table. So that's our mukbang for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to
Like and
Follow me on Instagram. I'm Gracie
Subscribe.
Ugg with double H.
follow me. That's what I look like from behind.